A VPN is one of the best investments that you can make in your online security. This is true for when you are traveling. A good VPN will make your travels safer and easier for about the price of a cup of coffee. Below I will explain what a VPN is and the reason for it while traveling. We will cover what it does and the best VPN for travel. Before we jump into the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. What is a VPN? A VPN, virtual private network, provides privacy and anonymity by creating a private network from a public internet connection. In short, the VPN hides your online actions. This makes your credit card information, or your person identity on social media, or banking information on your mobile device untraceable. This is how you would prevent would-be thieves from accessing your private and personal information while you are enjoying your travels and vacation. VPNs are generally designed to protect all of your internet traffic while you are running the virtual private network, email, streaming music, videos, voice calls, and anything else that wouldn't allow some stranger to have access to. When do you need a VPN? There is many reasons to use a VPN both overseas and at home. A VPN adds an extra layer of security on your computer. While you're traveling, you often connect to public or semi-public Wi-Fi networks, because Wi-Fi is available pretty much everywhere to travelers in places like airports, cafes, hotels, and train stations. As we surf the internet and connect with our friend back home on the social media platforms, we are opening ourselves up to serious risks. Anyone on these same networks, which in some cases could be thousands of people, can potentially grab your unencrypted data. Usernames, passwords, credit card numbers, browser cookies, and other identifying information can be ripe for the picking from your web browser and mobile apps by anyone with a little bit of knowledge and looking for an opportunity. A VPN is a private network that only you can access, so there's no risk of a data breach and theft of your personal information. How to get a VPN? The process is very simple. Download the best VPN onto your laptop or tablet, or use the VPN's app for your smartphone. Connect to the internet, and then select the server, and you are good to go. Now while the protected network is connected, your data is encrypted and your location is a mystery. Which is the best VPN for travel? With this large amount of potential risk, how do you stay safe and protect your identity? You would use a VPN. I have used a VPN for a year now and have found it to be completely reliable during my travels. Make sure to check the places that you are traveling beforehand to see if the VPN will work in the country that you are traveling to. Some places require you to register VPN with the government as a way to prohibit travelers from using them. There will be a link below in the description for the best VPN service. That's it from our side. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the video.